What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Emmanuel today. Emperor Nefarious. So he sent me this image to draw. So let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, we're going to start with his eyebrows, right? So just coming out from the middle of his head, we'll curve a line out this way. Out like that, right? And this kind of ticks around and goes behind the back of his big round head. Okay, you do the same on the other side. His head's kind of turned, I think, but we'll basically do more or less the same thing. And then the inside of this comes in and up into here. It goes around like so. Okay. He seems to have an extra sort of line just coming down here as well. Something else on this side. Okay, and then that big dome. So this might go off the top of my page, but yeah, I think it will. Just about. You just bring it up to the sort of point on the top. It just goes around there. I went a bit too tight with it. Okay, and then inside here we have this arrow sort of pointing up. There, and repeat that sort of shape inside the eyebrow here. Like so. And he's got like a symbol inside there. So it goes, I'm not sure, like this. And then around like that, I think. And then a line across here. Okay, so that's like the top of his head. So his eyes then, right? We got like a circle underneath the eyebrow here, kind of below this line, see? And then around here. This eye is like more open than that eye for some reason. Right, and then he's got like this camera lens like encasing around it. So let's say go around here. Right, if I go too fast, remember just to hit your pause button. How many of these lines is there? One that goes up this way, goes around here. Okay, and then there's inside lines as well. So this just like comes around here. It's like a outside line, right? And then this has another line outside it as well. Seems to be a double. Like that. And then we have a top. So it's kind of like a camera lens, right? So it has all these overlapping circles and stuff. So like another couple of these. So go another one there. 1, 2, maybe like another one out here. This seems to be like dark in here. Okay, and then outside here as well, but his lens on top comes a bit higher up. Right, and then this circle goes around again. So 1, 2, and the outside is a little bit dark, like shadowed up. Okay, So then side of his head and his face, so he's got like this skeleton like face, right? So it comes just down. This one touches the eye there and goes down that way. And then this comes down to like square sort of teeth, right? So we go square and around, about 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And then there's like a silver line that goes around here. And then a couple of lines on his nose coming down like that. Okay, so his jaw, bottom jaw, sticks out this way and then comes down to his chin here. Something similar on this side, comes down. It's kind of like crooked, it like goes off this way. And then goes around, kind of like that, right? So it's kind of like bent off to the side as if he's got like punched in the jaw. And then the inside of this comes down, around, and goes up into here. And he's got like a little sort of circle disc or something sticking off the side of them. And then like top lip sort of lines and edge lines that kind of make it look a little bit three-dimensional. Going up that way. Like another line there, and then like curved lines inside there. And then inside his mouth is just like all black. Okay, so shoulders and neck, right? So he's got like this collar. Comes down that way. Oh yeah, and ears. So the collar on the other side goes down there. But we'll finish the collar. So it comes down like so. Out here, like sticks out a little bit. Kind of square on the ends. And then this comes back up around the back of his head. And it's got like a red edge or something here. Running down like so. Same on this side. Red in there. So those ears, they're just like these sort of tubes or something coming off the side of his head. And this one kind of sticks out a little bit more on this side. So inside here, we've got like neck muscles, it looks like, just going down this way. Kind of disappears into his sort of chest here somewhere. This one sort of comes down from the side of the face there. And then that goes that way. Another line in there. And that's like the back of this collar. And then we have like these sort of V lines. A couple of them just in on his neck here. Right, so he's got these big shoulders sticking out this way. Pretty much the same although, well, yeah, more or less the same. Like that. And then these have sort of red wings, red edges going down that way. And then orange lights or something here. Okay. Does he have cracks on his collar? I'm not sure. Curving down. Looks like he's got like some cracks here. I could be mistaken, but they look like it's like damaged. Right, and then the inside he's got some lights here, so they go around just these sort of circular shapes there for the red edge first. And then this red edge goes around like so to there. And then we got all these lights inside. So you've got like a big circle first here, right? And another one here and there, and then like a circle there, smaller circle there. And we got this sort of bullseye situation going on. So you go around it again. And then a square here, and it steps in. And then this goes around this. Same over here. So they face out, going out towards his shoulders. And then this curves around. And then we have one more circle that we can't sort of see, just down there. And like this sort of, and a V sort of thing here as well. Like that. Okay, so arms and kind of tentacles and stuff sticking out from behind. So his shoulder comes down this way, right? It's all like Android parts and stuff, so it kind of clicks together, comes down there, and then we have a white plate or piece of metal coming off here, and then a red and black, and this kind of ellipse circle on the edge. And then here, and then these extra parts in his hand here. Or his arm, should I say. And then like a hinge joint just in there, and a seam up the middle. So that's his arm basically. And we do that over the other side, slightly turned differently. So we can see a little bit more of the shoulder, which comes around. To there. Some shoulder lines or something there. And then his arm goes down that way. It disappears into this sort of V section again. And that seam runs up here. And we got that white elbow thing, plate of metal here. with a circle on it and a circle inside. And then another spike coming up this side. Little spike on the side there as well. And then like some sort of hinge joint inside there. And then, so he's got these spikes that stick up from behind, right? So like these tentacle type snake, not snake, well, spider, I'd say, spider legs. Right, come on, going that way. It's 3 parts. And a big spike down here. And then on the other side, it's kind of turned a little bit differently than the other side. Like that. Okay. Emperor Nefarious. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel. Head over to Patreon if you have unusual requests from series that I don't normally draw. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.